Good morning. Is it good morning? Yeah. So I did have a bit of a holy shit moment. Oh.
Especially with Tom. It's his favourite Christmas song.
So morning. It's about 6 o'clock. I didn't go to sleep until gone 3. I just couldn't. I used to not having my Mrs. Dub with me because she's at the hospital at the moment. But I did visit her earlier on, so that was nice. Right, let's get up, I suppose, and defrost the car. Defrost tiki. And I need a cup of coffee. So need a cup of coffee. Meet Cash. Hey, Cash. I'm impressed. Right, let's get up. It's winter double on day. So we are a little bit frosted on the outside, only on the inside. Oh dear. It's a cold one. I might be a little bit late, guys. Yes. So, it is a bit frosty. I'm still trying to defrost tiki at the moment, and I gotta go and get some fuel before we do anything and check water and that, which I should have done before starting the car. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Right then, let's get going. See you at the ironworks, guys. Yes. Okay, so we're on our way, and there's a little bit of water left back on the windscreen. However, it's dripped down on the windscreen and it's frozen back over. So I'm struggling to see again. I am. Never mind. We'll get there. We'll get there. So as you can see, tiki is starting to defrost properly inside now. Thank God for that. I can see. I can see. So I did have a bit of a holy shit moment. I hit a bit of black ice. Wow. Good old tiki though. Managed to get out of it. I wasn't driving too fast anyway. I'm not that stupid. But wow. Woo. It certainly is a cold one, guys. It really is. Stay safe on those roads this winter. I'm so unprepared for this today, I gotta admit. Normally I'm pretty prepared to get going anyway, but as Mrs. Dub is in the hospital with our daughter, that's why she's not with me today. But yeah, I'm so unprepared for winter Dubland today, I gotta admit. It was touch and go whether I was going to be coming or not, but Mrs. Dub told me, yo, you have to go. So here I am on my way. And to be fair, it's nice to know that Tiki's heaters work great. Yeah. So anyway, I will actually see you and we'll do some more videoing when we're there. So you don't have to listen to this Welsh guy. See you later, guys. Bye. So we are only 10 minutes away, guys, before we're at Winter Dubland 2023. Yes, we are here, guys. Oh, yes, indeed we are. Right, let's find out where we're going exactly. hi guys, we are parked up. We are literally set up very, very quickly, ready to go, and I've got the cuppa ready. Happy days. So everything's starting to get set up nicely. There is Lee. We have a lovely T4 next to us, and an old school Ibiza. Yes. Oh. It is a cold one, guys. It really is. It's all starting to fill up now. It is indeed. So while we're waiting for everybody to finish arriving and setting up, let's go and have a look around, and I'm gonna have my cup of tea. Yes. So our friends Andy and Jen came over to say hello. We're here. So now that Andy has got the DJ setup going, we're gonna go over and say hello to Buzbeats.
Especially with Tom. It's his favourite Christmas song.
Here's Buzbeats. Say hello, Andy.
Yes, hello.
Say hello, Mark.
See, I'm selling tickets over there, so still tickets available if you want to win that Joker buggy. They're $5 each, and every $5 is a gift for somebody that wouldn't have one on Christmas morning. So it's well worth doing. Traders, you've been fantastic. Obviously, we're in for another couple of hours at least. But I just want to thank everybody for making the effort. It hasn't been easy today, but you've all made the most of it. So thank you. Lee, do you want to come over and say something? Okay, Lee will be over in a bit.
So guys, we've pretty much, I spent most of my time with Buzbeats all day playing around with tracks. Yes, we have. It was plenty of wham, more wham, and more wham. Yeah. So I'm on my way home now. I will catch you all a little bit later on. So, as I started off, I messaged my wife, because obviously she's hospital with our daughter at the moment. And I thought, it's an hour and 15, hour and 20 back home. I was 38 minutes to the hospital. She doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to go back to the hospital and surprise her. Because I think Mrs. Dub, she needs a hug. And I hate coming to events without Mrs. Dub. I ain't doing anything without Mrs. Dub, to be fair. She is my life. She is my soulmate. And I need to go and see my wife. So that's what I'm doing before I go back home to sort out the doggy woggies. So, there we go. I'll see you in a little while, guys. Have fun.
Some time later.
Did you miss me? Oh, yeah. Thanks. Whew. It did seem to be a lot of Wham fans. I think that was a private joke. But yeah, we did play a lot of Wham, a lot of Cheese, a lot of rock. No dance, Mark. No dance. I did tell you, but no. It was a great day, guys. It really was. And then on the way home, rather than me just coming home, I was going to do a stealth camp. Although my leisure battery is completely shot. So that needs replacing now. It does. But apart from that, I decided either spend an hour and 20 minutes driving home or 38 minutes and go and see my wife in hospital with our little popsicle. So I went and did that instead. So I haven't long got home. It's just before 11:30 at night. So I've been up and out since around about 6 AM this morning. All good. It's been a good day. It's been a bloody cold day, but it's been good, and we've helped raise lots and lots of money and presents for children who are needing this Christmas. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget, if you do want to buy tickets to win this, then head over to VolksMagic.com, where you can get your tickets, or speak to Lee at WVVW Club, and they will point you in the right direction. So, on that note, guys, hopefully I've managed to make a half decent video, because I have spent most of my day with buzbeats. We've been messing around with different songs. We've had a great laugh, to be fair. It's been good. So, until next time, guys, see you soon. Bye.